Hi Connect friends, I was just making a jug of flavored water and I thought maybe you'd like to see how I make mine. There are a lot of popular brands on the market right now like La Croix or other ones that have the bubbly seltzer in them. I can also add seltzer water to my jug that I'm going to make, but I'm going to put that in when I'm ready to drink it. So I consulted a book that I've talked to you about before. This is called the Vegetarian Flavor Bible. I looked at what I had in my refrigerator to make my flavored water, and I looked up watermelon. So watermelon goes with blueberries, it goes with basil. You can find all of these in a book like this. So I've got some yellow watermelon, I've got some blueberries, and I've also got some fresh basil from my garden. I'm going to put that in this jug. First of all, what I want to do is I just want to put everything in, and I'm going to muddle it up just to break down the flavors a bit. You could use strawberries and raspberries, blueberries, any kind of flavors that you like. I've got my muddler. I'm just going to pound this a little bit. I don't want to break everything up, but this kind of makes the flavors get a lot happier a lot quicker. I'm not going to add any sugar to this. I'm going to have it just as it is. It's really delicious. Fill this up with some ice. And then some water. I'm going to keep this in my fridge for about an hour or two, and then it's going to be really, really delicious to have a glass. So maybe you consider making your own flavored waters. It certainly is a lot more economical, and it's delicious too. Thank you for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.